flying debris. Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, southeastern Alfalfa County in northwestern Oklahoma, northern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, western Garfield County in northern Oklahoma, eastern Madrid County in northwestern Oklahoma, until 4:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the leading edge of a line of severe thunderstorms was located from near Lawndale to 5 miles southeast of Eagle City, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs,